Hello, 你好. Welcome to Lesson 8. In this video, I will explain how to pronounce initial n and l. For pronunciation of n, you have to put the tip of your tongue toward to your top gum. Let the air flow through your nose. Then open the tongue. Let the voice come out. N. And the sound is similar to the pronunciation in nurse. N. Nurse. N. In Chinese, you pronounce n. For l, you put your tongue almost at the same place as when you pronounce n, but let the air flow through your mouth, not the nose. And your lip open a little bit more than when you pronounce n. So let's say l, and this pronunciation is quite similar to laugh. L. L. For these two initials, n and l, they both can combine with r, e, but cannot combine with o. It's the same like what we learned in last video, t and d. So, t, d, n, l cannot combine with o. Let's try the first combination, n and a. N, light. Na, 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 na. Here, I introduce a verb, na. It means grab, take, or hold. Na. You will see it looks a little complicated, but in the bottom part there is a word. It's actually in Chinese is hand. So when something related to your hand, for Chinese language, we sometimes put a hand to combine with some other part, means something related to the hand. Na. Okay, let's try l with a. La, 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 la. Here I introduce another verb that is also frequently used in our daily life. It's la. So like this baby is pulling this little toy. It means drag, pull, or draw. La. If you remember in the previous video, I introduced another verb that is also means pull in Chinese, ba. That ba means you pull something out of soil or out of wood, out of something. But the la means you just pulling or dragging, so on the surface on somewhere. So they are different in Chinese. Here we pronounce as la. Then we combine n with a. N. 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 So you see I didn't put the first tongue n and the third tongue n in here. So it means that two pronunciation is not common in the Chinese language. And another combination is l and a. You see there is a light, l, and the fourth one is l. Again, there's no first, second, and third tongue because it's not common. Here, l means happy, laugh, and glad. Here's l. You will see it's similar to something I was putting in the logo. L means you enjoy, you're happy to learn Chinese. The pronounce is l. L. Next combination is n and e. N, e, 你、你、你. So here, the third tone, 你, is important. It means you. So we learned 他 in last video. Here, you will learn 你 means you. When you say 你的, you combine 你 with 的. It means yours or your. Next one is 了 and 一. 了, 一, 哩, 离, 里, li. So here I introduce the third tone, 里. Li, it means in, inside, within. So this is a very frequently used character. It's usually combined with other character has their meaning. Here we say 在里面, like this puppy is inside of the cup. 里. Okay, this is all for this video. If you like my video, please save, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.